Hey guys, welcome back to another video. After inspecting the whole cube, you need to start with making the white cross, which is what I am doing right now. And it's now I'm correcting the corners to where they belong. So as you would see, it's at its corresponding core. The first layer is done. Now I'm moving on to the second layer, in which I'll be making all the top edges come down to its corresponding place. Now that I'm done, I will make the yellow cross on top, which is a FRUF R''U'. Now I need to bring each top edge to its corresponding core color. So as you can see, each of the core colors are in their places. That's it. Thanks for watching.